In today's video, I'm going to teach you guide how to build an app using only AI. We'll walk through a simple flow that lets you go from idea to a working web app with the help of an AI builder called Base44. By the end, you'll know how to start from a blank slate with a prompt or kick off from a ready-made template and refine it with an AI chatbot. Then publish your app. First, open your browser and head to Base44. Give the page a moment to load so you land on the workspace where new projects are created. Think of this as your control center for building and managing AI-generated apps. If you want to build from scratch, use the prompt area to describe exactly what you want. Be specific and practical. Include the app's purpose, your target users, the pages you need, and any simple workflows you expect, like a contact form or a pricing page. Mention the tone of your copy and your visual style, such as clean, modern, or playful. The clearer your prompt, the better the first draft will be. When you're happy with your description, send it to build your app and let the AI do the heavy lifting. If you prefer a head start, click on Apps to browse existing templates. This is great when you want a proven structure and only need to tailor the details. You'll see options designed for common use cases. Take a quick look through them and consider which layout and content style best match your idea. Select the template you want. Remember, templates are meant to be improved, so pick something close and plan to fine-tune it. Opening a template will take you into the editor preview where you can see how the app is shaping up before making changes. Choose any template you'd like to refine and open it. You'll get a live preview along with editing tools. This is your staging area for polishing copy, structure, and visuals. Now click on the chatbot inside the editor. Type clear instructions about what you want changed, then click send. You can ask to rewrite headlines, adjust colors, reorganize sections, or swap images and placeholders. The key is to be precise, like change the hero section to highlight a free trial with a bold call to action, or make the features section 3 columns with concise bullet-style summaries in sentence case. Review the AI's update and iterate as needed until the app matches your vision. When you're satisfied with the result, click on Publish, confirm the settings shown, and let the system deploy your web app. That's it, your AI-built app is live. Thanks for watching and happy building.